Typically, there are two types of backflow prevention devices. Double check detector. This assembly consists of two internally loaded check valves, either spring or internally loaded, weighted, installed as a unit between the two tightly closing resilient seated shutoff valves as an assembly, and fittings with properly located resilient seated test ports or cocks. Reduced pressure zone. Two independently acting check valves together with a hydraulically operating, mechanically independent pressure differential relief valve located between the check valves and below the first check valve. These units are located between two tightly closed resilient seated shutoff valves as an assembly and are equipped with properly located resilient seated test cocks. Please visit firesprinklertesting.org for more information.